another new sponsor alert. Thank you, Cypher Auto, for believing in the project. Let's open it up and see what Instagram helped me pick out. Big Bertha, as always. So, open and first impressions. Thank you, Danny from Cypher Auto. You were a big help in this. All right, man. These things are, come in here. These things are packaged good. They ain't playing with the packaging. All right. More tape. Even got foam pieces right here on the bottom to protect the seat during transport. Oh, these are their own bags for the seats. That's how you know you picked the right company. Or in this case, the right company picked you. Oh, this is a complete seat ready to go. Ooh. Ooh, coming on the detail. What? The detail's insane. Get out of here. It's a good lock. This is the passengers. Ooh, ooh. So there's the new seats, everybody. Man. Okay, these are dope. You can't tell in the video, but this is a leatherette. The stitching's all full leatherette. This is, wow. Feels really good. Super nice material. Not overdoing on the branding, but these are, all right, Instagram. I had y'all pick between, what, 6 or 8 different seats, and it came down between these and the maroon ones. Thank you guys helped me pick out the perfect one. So, Cypher Auto, appreciate you guys believing in me, and I appreciate the badass seats for the build going to SEMA. They also sent me some goodies, so I don't know how to say your name, Ashley Tomley, but welcome to the channel. Let's see. So we got some recliner covers, some documentation, and then boom, Team Cypher, welcome to the team. Awesome. So, out of their brand new seats, we got these. They came in between these two that we were voting on. You guys helped me pick these. I am so happy with them. People may notice these are a style similar to these from SRT Mush. I am not copying him, but at the same time, this company has a legit product that is going to definitely complement the build. I mean, once again, I can't thank you guys enough. So everyone knows the seats I have, the code is that right there. I will also have a link for them in the description below. If you want to see them in DFW, I'll be at a couple of meets coming up here soon, but that's what they look like. And then also in the bag is a little bit of hardware I'll be needing. Some spacers, some nuts and bolts, blah, 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 blah. All right, we got some more stuff, so let's move all this out of the way. See what's in here. It's heavy. Whatever it is, it's heavy. It's definitely metal. So Some hardware. My sliders. Oh, these are super nice too. Wow. Great construction. I mean, almost feels OEM. So this is, wow, these are really good actually. So 2 per seat, super good quality, very heavy. You're gonna be able to tell these are gonna be very, very durable. Very nice. There's also a second set in here, so there's those. And one more box, a little bit lighter. Let's see what it is. Slider handles. Once again, light, tubular, aluminum. The main purpose, not only besides being sexy in the car, but the main purpose was also drop a little bit of weight. And I think this will definitely do it. I am extremely happy with this purchase. So the question everyone has about seats like this is, how much do they weigh? Boom, there's your answer. Now that's without the sliders, but the sliders will be going in. Those can't weigh over more than 5 pounds, so we're gonna go ahead and say around 28, 29 pounds per seat. So there's your answer, Cypher Auto. And then Merrick Motorsports was nice enough to send me pictures of another girl. She's holding those. Hey, gold inlet tubing. Focus. Focus. It's having a hard time focusing on the gold. That's how you know the anodization is good. Look at these. Gorgeous. So these are going to be going in the headlights, both sides. You know what? Let's go put them in. Oops. Alright, so everyone knows the plan is those inlet tubes, get the Merricks, and then the boost piping down here, get the gold refraction tape from Ishimoto. So one of the big things we need to look at is how close are the colors? Pretty damn close. You can't do much better than that. Ooh. Oh boy, this is coming along way too nicely.
I love gold!
Perfect. Alright, y'all ready to see how hard these are to install? You ready? Watch this, watch this. Already open, right? Here, let's take this one. Alright, might as well do the other one. Oh God. She sure do got some pretty eyes. Oh man. So there it is. While the SEMA crunch is real, getting new parts in is always exciting. We're watching the build progress. And don't worry, we got more. Till then, stay savage.
Stay in the life of me.